What's up? Fuck, it's weird being here. So, just kind of having a moment, soaking it in. This is my old stomping grounds. The woods. See how many times I used to hang out down here. It's like where I grew up. Like, the kegers, the 4th of July parties, the friends, the adventures, the motorcycle rides, the fucking first time I smoked weed, first time I kissed a girl, like all down here. On this little path. The gate's locked, so I had to go on foot. Otherwise I would have driven, but fuck. See? Not that it's weird being here, but it's kind of weird being down here. What? Shit. Fuck. God, how old was I when I used to come in here? It's like 20 years ago. 35 now? Yeah. Sounds about right. Like 15. Plus some, 20, 25 years ago. I just have so many memories down here. Fresh air. My hands are cold as fuck. Man, am I gonna be doing this for another 20 years? Maybe. I'm like 55 years old, fucking coming down here, reminiscing. God, I remember I used to hate this place. Howdy. Oh, look at the dog. You're a good dog. Hi, boy. Follow your pup. Damn, it's a trip. The memories. So I broke my toe right here. I had like an ingrown toenail for like 5 years. And right here. But it's weird, like having grown up here, like this used to be like all I knew. And I had no idea, like everywhere I'd end up, everywhere I'd go, everywhere I was seen, just to be experiencing this. It's kind of a trip. It's kind of cool. during the summers, I mean, obviously, well, not obviously, but it's winter right now, fall/winter, November, the day after Thanksgiving, and it's chilly as fuck. But like during the summer, this place is just, at least when I used to live here, like it was just popping. You know, there's fucking shit going on all the time. People come down here partying. Like we were just living our best lives. Damn. See? There used to be a car buried right there. Old Volkswagen Bug. But I don't know what it is now. Oh, this is new. These trees, these have definitely grown in since fucking I've been out here. But this used to be like all clear right here, and you can see the river. I always found my way back out here. Drawn to it. It's again, like I can't wrap my head around, because like as a kid I was like, God, get me the fuck out of here. I used to dream of places like California and all that shit, and now I've been all these places. Like, this is where I want to be. Partially. Bikes past this. Our dirt bikes. You can see the road, like the path. I can't tell you how many times this river has changed this landscape. That's another thing. Like, it's changed quite a bit. Just a simple man. Anywho.